why trees should not be cut. So in our ecosystem, every organism depend on the other organism. If it is a biotic or non-biotic, that is not matter, but every organism depend on each other. Like a tree play an important role in the ecosystem. Like in our body, we need the food and water, and we need fire in our body and all things. But if we have decreases of only one thing, then we are sick and we need to go to the hospital. So like that, like in our body components like food, water, the tree also play the same role in the ecosystem. So according to you, why should tree be cut? Trees play the important role in the ecosystem. Thank you.
My name is Siddharth and I read in class 8. Trees should be cut. Trees that provide the medicines, and the people are sick, they go to hospital and the doctor are take medicines, and people and the trees and math papers, the students are right from the knowledge. Thank you.
So Mr. Chitran Sani, now you say the tree provides medicines and many components, and you are support the why tree should not be cut, and you are on the topic why should to be cut. So how can you say that the tree provides medicines? You are also in our team. By the one way, you support the why should tree not be cut. You don't have any idea, any reason why should tree be cut.
Good morning to all. My name is Pranav Mark from class 8. If a tree cut, so we get medicines and papers. Tree should be cut. So many persons have implements and many other things like tree used in making houses and other various items. We provide some food items and medicines. From the tree provide us a paper made by wood pulp. So students write and use them papers.
Hello guys, my name is Jesse Kral from class 9. When we release CO2, trees take it and convert in O2, and we take O2. Tree enhance the beauty of nature. So tree should not be cut.
Trees should be cut because by cutting trees we get paper which is very useful for us in many ways. Many of the books and notebooks are made up of trees.
Trees give us fresh air to live, wood for furniture, herb for medicine. Trees also help in rain. Trees gives shelter to birds and animals. So I suggest trees should not be cut.
Furniture is made from cutting trees. By cutting trees we get furniture such as almirah, bed, which are very useful for us. Without this, a human cannot live a comfortable life.
So now I tell you the small story. The story of the Arena Forest, which is situated in the Maharashtra. In this forest, there are total 4 lakh trees, and the Maharashtra government suggests a plan to make the metro to make a metro station there. So for that, the Maharashtra government need to cut down the 2,000 trees, and from the 4 lakh trees. So 2,000 is a small number from the 4 lakh trees. So, but many environmentalists refused it. So the Maharashtra government suggests to vote. So there are many parties joined that, like the BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, Congress, and Aam Aadmi Party and Shiv Sena. So only the 4 leaders of the BJP vote to cut the tree, and the 1 leader of Aam Aadmi Party to cut the tree. But nobody from the 15,000 persons to vote, only 5% voted to cut the tree. But nobody wanted to cut the tree. So by the huge number of our leaders, and our leaders are our protectors. So our leaders also think trees are not be cut. So they voted trees should not be cut. So they voted after think something and after some reasons. So after that trees should not be cut.
Trees should be cut because trees are cut for cleaning land. In this land we grow crops and set up industries. In industries many people get their employment.
The all 2,000 trees to make the metro station. But the result is that from the 4 lakh trees, when the 2,000 trees are cut down, from that the only 400 plants will be planted, and from the 1600 plants are left. And why that the reason? In this arena forest there are many endangered species which are extinct after the cut of trees, and there are many species came into the endangered species. So there is a huge loss of the India when these 2000 trees are cut down. And in the India, the 7 people share a tree, and according to that, there is too low ratio of the trees. In the reality, 2 trees need 1 person need to share 2 trees, but in India, 7% share 1 tree.
My name is Shinal Kumar from class 8. If we trees cut to get medicines and many employments, trees are very useful for us like firewood in winter and train usage.
Cut the trees because trees provide many things like food and O2, and trees reduce the global warming. Nowadays, global warming is increased because trees are being cut. That's why we should grow more and more plants.
Is we get firewood which is used in villages, cutting trees like wood which is also a fuel, and fuel is used in many industries. We should not cut the trees because if we cut the trees there is a decrease in oxygen and increase in CO2, and if people do not take oxygen, there are many people who die without oxygen, and all people should take the oxygen back to the oxygen, so we should not cut the trees.
The woods are making the fuel, and the wind blows are coming the pads are brought in the electricity wires, then electricity wires are traced, and the warning from the vehicle came the vehicle, and that wire leakage put on the vehicles, and then the passengers are harmful for the
People, many people fight to save the tree, like that the Chipko Andolan. In the Chipko Andolans, people save the tree and fight and save the tree to the king of the Maharashtra. Thank you.
Trees should be cut because procuring land for cultivation, building house and furniture, making furniture using the wood, using wood of fuel.
In Africa, a forest, Amazon forest, in Amazon forest, many lakhs of trees. Well, we should cut the tree in endangered plants like that wild mango. Wild mango will be extinct. We will cut the tree. We will not cut the tree. So, according to me, we should not cut the tree.
Trees are very useful for human life and fulfill our needs. The negative effects to prevent the mindful efforts to restore the environment.
Our Indian government are planning to make the India a developed country. So, like in the Japan is a developed country, but in that when the road is construction, so the trees should not be cut. They don't cut the tree. They change the location of the road from anywhere because they consider that the trees are play a huge role in the environment. If trees are not, so how can we live? And when we don't live, so what was the use of the roads and infrastructure and the factories? So the ancient things are the very precious things. Like the Sanskrit. Sanskrit is the mother of all languages, and in the Sanskrit there are many nouns are the source already. So like that the trees are also saved by the ancient people. So there is some reason in the trees we need to save that. And if we don't have oxygen, so what we do by the factories and industries? So we need to first conserve our environment, and because we have the limitation of our trees. And there are many endangered species of trees. If we extinct once, then we cannot renewable it. They are not renewable. But we can throw the ideas of to make the factories anywhere, industry anywhere. We can think other ideas, but people are to cut the trees regularly now also. So we need to think the ideas where we should the factories. If we don't cut the trees, this is more important than the cut the trees and after set up the factory. Thank you.
As a good fuel for making food and melting for steel.
Trees give look to nature.
stores and other buildings. That's why people cut trees, because in the process of making buildings, trees are used. So that's why trees are to cut. Trees should not be cut because trees have to reduce the global warming, and trees help in rain, and they give us shelter to wild animals to live. They give humans food to eat and medicines. The process can damage environment, but the negative effect can be prevented when it is done mindful effect to help restore the environment.
From your team, almost 5 to 6 guys talk about the why should not be trees the cut. So please decided first why you are on the topic of why should be trees the cut. So I think you have don't any reason also that I told sometime before also why trees should be cut, because trees should not be cut. There are many reasons behind that. So you from you almost 5 to 6 guys told on the why should not be cut.
Many of the medicines are made from trees. Trees are cut for medicines. Medicines are used for us because medicines are very useful for us because they save us from disease. That's why trees are cut for medicines.
People are making clothes like rayon. From the side, wind blows, then the trees are into the earth surface. Then they're making the 1 million years after the making clothes, the clothes are used in the making steels. The steels are making the utensils. Utensils are taking food from. And
Trees are very important in food, like they also provide foods, vegetables, fruits, medicines, Ayurvedic medicines. That's why trees should not be cut.
improves forest restoration, improves environmental diversity, reduces the risk of falling tree. This process can damage environment.
Trees are the best gift for us, of the nature for us. They make the environment beautiful and clean.
Advantage of cut trees, we get good medicines and coal and polka.
Ancient people live very, very long, and nowadays people's life short life because trees in ancient time trees are very useful and very many in many type, and in that time trees are very cut, so they reduce level of pollution in ancient time, and nowadays trees doesn't reduce level of pollution because trees in very short.
In ancient time, use wood as firewood. They use wood as in houses and in many sorts. And nowadays, people use electrical appliances that are harmful for us.
The best gift of nature, they make the environment beautiful and clean. Water and sunlight is very important to help growth. The trees are making clothes. The clothes are very useful. The agriculture do not success from the cloth. Thank you.
People set up the factories and industries and work them for what? To earn the money, and people use that money to experience the nature, to experience the environment. And trees are the beauty of the environment and play important role of the environment. If we cut down the trees for the factories and industries and for many things, then there is no need to earn the money, because most of the people are meant to experience the nature and for beauty of the nature. Thank you.
In this land, we grow crops and set up industries. Trees are very useful cleaning land and environment.
There are mainly 5 types of trees found in India: mangrove, deciduous, and thorn forest, and others. So all the trees don't give us the same component. Different trees give us a different component, and there are many uses of all types of trees have different uses. Some are used for herbs, some are used for shrubs, and most of the medicines are made from the trees. If you cut down a tree, the diseases are increases, and the the medicines are available in the very short number due to the trees, and the death rate of the people is increases with too high number, and the balance of the environment or the ecosystem is completely unbalanced. So we need to balance the environment. So for that, the trees are necessary. And nowadays, the most of the people bring the small flowers, artificial flowers like from the IKEA and many other sites. So why should they don't conserve the trees? They bring the small flowers like artificial flowers, especially if they save the trees. If they think that the earth is our home and save the trees in that, so these trees are the much beautiful and considered the much than good from these artificial trees. So we need to select.
We should cut the trees to get commercial employments and build up factory, industry and houses. Trees are cut, we get wool pulp and used in synthetic fiber like rayon.
As we can make the trees more and more for growth. Trees can make the society and the place beautiful, and clean water and minerals for growing the trees. Trees give us papers, rubbers and food, fruits like etc. and more. And trees also give us oxygen.
By cutting trees, we get medicines, paper, firewood, and shadow of trees.
In India, there are many types of forests, like tropical evergreen forest. In the tropical evergreen forest, the rains are very high, and in the peninsula plateau, the rivers are so small because due to the cutting of trees, the rains are not affect the river. They small rivers.
In India, because India population was very fast increase, and population live for houses and we build new houses in forest land.